Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I just wanted to share with you guys really quick that I had my first 3D printing experience. I used a P1S Bamboo Labs printer. This is that little benchy that you got to print for a test print here. Turned out really nice actually, and it's nice and smooth for the most part. There's a few stutters there, but overall this is really good. I did try and float this. It doesn't really float right side up. It's kind of top heavy. But this is just something that I wanted to share with you guys really quick that I thought was super cool. And then this is a little drink topper. You put this on a can and then it'll open and close so you can drink out of it, or close it and it'll cover your can up from like wasp or bees. So these are two things that I got to print on a printer. It's not my printer, I just got to test it out. Just wanted to share with you guys. I didn't know if you guys were actually curious in 3D printing or seeing 3D printed designs like this. So I kind of wanted to judge your guys' engagement and see if you think that it would be cool if I started doing 3D content if I ended up getting a 3D printer. But that's pretty much it. Real quick, short, simple video. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more 3D prints or an actual 3D printer if I get my own. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.